Welcome to our step-by-step guide on integrating Google Consent Mode v2 on your Shopify store using CookieYes app and Tag Manager. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Install CookieYes on Shopify. Go to the Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Apps. Use the search bar to find CookieYes GDPR Cookie Banner. Click Install to add the app, then confirm by selecting Install App on the OAuth page. After installation, choose one of the following paths. If you are a new user, you will be redirected to a sign-up page. Create a new account and customize your cookie banner. On the setup screen, select Install with Google Tag Manager as the installation method. If you are an existing CookieYes user, log into your CookieYes account. Remove any previously installed CookieYes script from your website. Ensure Basic Consent Mode is enabled. If it's disabled, toggle the Support GCM button in the Advanced Settings on your CookieYes dashboard to enable it. To enable advanced functionality, toggle Allow Google Tags to fire before consent in the CookieYes dashboard. This ensures tags fire before consent, but operate without cookies until consent is provided. Step 2. Add the Shopify JavaScript. Go to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to Online Store under the Sales Channels menu. Select Themes and click the Edit Code option from the drop-down menu. Under the Layout section, open the theme.liquid file. Add the following script just after the opening head tag. Save your changes. Step 3. Enable Shopify Customer Privacy Settings. Navigate to Settings in your Shopify admin dashboard. Select Customer Privacy from the sidebar. Before installing the CookieYes banner, remove Shopify's default cookie banner by selecting Cookie Banner under Privacy Settings and then selecting Remove Cookie Banner from the More Actions drop-down. Verify that CookieYes GDPR Cookie Banner is listed under Installed Privacy Apps. Click More Actions and select Set Custom Banner Regions. In the Custom Cookie Banner modal, define the regions where marketing and analytics data collection should be enabled, then confirm your settings. Step 4. Set up CookieYes GTM template. To do this, you first need to set up Google Tag Manager on your website, as we will use CookieYes Tag Manager template for the integration. Create a new tag in Google Tag Manager by clicking on Tags in the left sidebar, then New. Click on Tag Configuration and search for the CookieYes CMP template in the Community Template Gallery. Choose the CookieYes template and click Add to Workspace. Insert your CookieYes website key here. If you are a new user, go to the CookieYes setup screen and locate the website key. Click Copy Key to copy it to your clipboard. Existing users can log into your CookieYes account and go to Advanced Settings and click Get Installation Code. From the code box, copy only this portion. After pasting the website key, set the default consent setting here by clicking Add Setting. Then select Enabled or Disabled from the drop-down for each cookie category and data sharing setting, depending on your requirements. Set the region by entering the region's ISO standardized codes or enter All for global targeting. Then click Add. Next, set Consent Initialization, all pages as the trigger for tags. Click Save to complete the consent mode integration on your Shopify website. Step 5. Verify consent mode integration. After setting everything up, it's important to verify that the integration is working. Go to Advanced Settings in the CookieYes dashboard. Click the Check Now button next to Check GCM Status. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a No Error Detected message. For further verification, check out our Verification Help Guide. If you encounter any issues, check out our GCM Troubleshooting Guide or Contact Support.